All right, kindergarten, you are going to be in your math workbook and turn to page 227. So on this page, you're going to need your scissors and you're going to see a whole bunch of math equations and you're going to cut out on the dotted line. And these are going to be for your use at home to practice with moms and dads or someone at your house that you want to just practice math with. So if you'll notice, what do you notice about set A? Let's see.
Set A.
Yeah, what about set A? We notice that the teen number is first, right? It's first before the equals. Because when we usually say the sentence, we say 10 plus 1 equals 11, and we usually say that last. But on this one, they have the teen number first. So that means 11 equals 10 plus 1, right? Or 12 equals 10 plus 2. And we're using sets of 10 in each equation. You'll notice in set B, the teen number is last. So I want you to also look at this one and this one. No matter what, no matter whether we have the teen number first before the equals or the teen number last after the equals, 10 plus 1 always equals 11, right? Or 11 equals 10 plus 1. It doesn't change. So use these after you cut them out. You can keep them in a baggie if you want and use them for practice at home. But these will be cut out and used for just review and practicing with someone at home. And they can hold up the card and you can read it to them, okay?